Hey guys, I'm Logan.
And I'm Zach.
And we're with Nissan of Cookeville here today to show you some of our favorite features about the 2020 Nissan Altima. So one of my favorite features about the 2020 Altima is that every single trim level comes with remote engine start, which is a super great option if you want to cool your car down in the middle of the summer, warm it up in the middle of the winter. All you have to do is press the lock button and then hold the remote start down for 5 seconds and it will automatically start. And your remote climate control does immediately start cooling the car down in hot temperatures or warming it up in cold temperatures.
Now my favorite feature in this Altima is particularly the 8-inch touchscreen display that comes standard in all models. In this display, you have access to your Bluetooth connections, which you have access to your push-to-talk and speech-to-text, all of that stuff included in here. Also access to your audio systems, which has satellite radio and your Bluetooth connections all here so you can listen to all of your favorite music. And again, this is touchscreen, which gives it that nice premium feel, all standard in the Altima.
So I'm Zach. And I'm Logan.
And when you're ready to upgrade to your new 2020 Altima,
make sure to come see us.